Hey everyone, in today's GeoSnap, I'm going to show you how to create an individual report and a summary report in Survey123. This can help present your data in an efficient and professional way. Let's get started. Our first step will be to create two new report templates. For example, here I have created a new individual report to show each record's information. Notice that each field is represented with the field name in the survey. This will enable Survey123 to populate this information with the record's data. Next, I have created a summary report that compiles the information into a series of questions that I can show off to people I need to. Notice that any summary report starts with the summary tag and ends with the end tag. Additionally, each question's answer references the name of the survey, the query that will be used to filter your data, and the type of statistic you would like to run on this data. Once your templates are finished, you can create the final outputs for them by going to the Survey123 website and clicking on the Data tab that your survey records are in. Now select Report, then Manage Templates, New Template, select your individual report. This will then double-check your report for any syntax errors, and finally we can select Save. Now repeat the process for the summary report. Once the templates are added, we can select the number of records we would like our report to show. For my individual report, I will be selecting one record and then generate it. And for my summary report, I will be selecting all records and then generate it. Each record's output will automatically be downloaded once generated. As you can see, the record I selected has been output into an individual report that I can show to anyone that I need to. Lastly, my summary report was also generated and answers all the questions that I need to, and now I can present it to my client. I hope these tips help the next time you need to present your survey data in an insightful and professional way.